Hello people, episode 3 of the ISA series. A bit of a slow week in the markets, but made a few changes, so we'll do an update. So this portfolio is about £500 up. Not quite sure why it says invested 18,186. It seems to be a bit of a bug, because I've only put 17.5 in. If anyone knows what that is, leave a comment. But yeah, so bulk of these are unchanged. IAG, I sold £1,000 of the £1,000 of the S&P gold producers and bought £250 of IAG or British Airways. They're sort of opening back up, so hoping that's going to start to come back to some sort of normality. Bought £250 of Kia Group, hoping that the big projects are going to start to come to fruition. I bought £250 of Rolls Royce, again with the airlines coming back on and their defensive sector, hoping that they're going to start doing well. And Silvana Platinum, sort of back to the precious metals really, but they're a very small platinum miner. Seem to have sort of great potential to start paying dividends or growing the share price. If the platinum price goes up as well, then hoping that one does well. I also sold all of my iShares physical gold and put that into Polymetal. So they're a gold and silver miner who also pay around 3% dividend. So hoping that's sort of going to perform a little bit better than just straight physical gold. Sort of thinking the miners are lagging behind the gold price now. So yeah, that is changes to the portfolio this week. Some of the shares are still sort of dropping down. Shell has come down a little bit in the last week. Rolls Royce, that was partly why I bought. Saga is still way down, but I'll hold on to them, just sort of see how it goes. Hopefully the insurance business starts to pull back. Kia Group was down, as I say, hopefully sort of expecting that to start coming back up as the new projects start going ahead. Yeah, and that's about it for this portfolio. And just checking over to Hargreaves Lansdown. No changes. Again, still waiting for this to transfer over to iWeb. It's down about £500 on last week. But yeah, hoping to make some changes once we get over to iWeb. So yeah, just a quick video today. Leave any comments or thoughts in the comment section below, and like and subscribe if you're interested in following the journey. Thanks very much.